Hi.
Okay. So, definitely YouTube on that one. So this basic drill is for movements in Naihanchi Kata, the first technique. So I'm going to break in. It's a standard drill, it's in not just the martial arts, we come around here. So the idea being is I don't want to put direct like this. I want to think about circling. So circling backwards, circling forwards. So here, forwards as well. Okay. So we're absorbing these shots coming through. Okay. Now to break this and to go the other way, I want to get to the inside. So as he comes around me, this is going to scoop onto the inside. I'm going to catch and fire shoot over there. Okay. I'm going to go shoot over, again if you don't block this. I'm going to go shoot over and then attack on the other side as well. Okay. So that's the basic of the transition is really to strike the neck twice. So here and here. Okay. So 1, 2 and hit twice, okay? And then follow on from there, however you want. For the sake of the transition, it puts barrier here, okay? I still go for that second shot because I don't anticipate this barrier, so I'm trying to hit the targets, that's what I'm going for, okay? This second one gets barrier because of his score around there. I need to get rid of this, so there's a hit down towards his centre, take a shot of it. And then I can directly go straight back in again to the front side. Okay. So again, if he blocks, comes here, covers this one, doesn't parry this one, I'm just trying to get through this entry, pushing this barrier down to get in. Okay. For the sake of the drill, he parries this, and then we're on the other side. Okay. So there's a lot of things to consider just in that transition. So coming here in this position, 1, 2, 3. Okay. What's really important in this transition as well is you don't go 1, 2, 3. You've got to be able to break the rhythm. Okay. So when I'm here, if I do this slowly, so 1 this way. So it's on the half beat. Okay. And that's exactly the same as if I was hitting his neck. I won't be going. I'll be wrapping them in. Okay. So that's what I do there. Then when I feel this, I then just put them on the way. Okay, so the idea of breaking rhythm is really important for the other Naihanchi Bunkai. So say for instance, we're here and we're here. Okay, these two movements. 1, 2. Okay. If I want to hit down here, again I wouldn't go 2, 3. It would be 1, 2, 3. Then attack, right, and then attack there. Okay, so 1, here, then attack, okay? Same as if I go 1, 2, 3 here, it covers this one. Okay, I've got a line in here. So it'll be 1, 2, here, that's good, and hit from here. Okay? So this whole idea of being able to break rhythm is key. So in here, it's scooting back, here, here. So we're just moving backwards and forwards with the same rhythm. Cut this, okay? As he pushes this way, I want to be moving around the obstacle. Okay? So it almost feels almost like he's fighting a ghost. So as he puts his energy that way, I'm moving around into this way. Okay? So he comes 1, 2, 3, around. In this position, okay? Ideally, what we want is to be right on that neck there, okay? So we're moving, put, and right on that neck. For the sake of the transition of the drill, you can't do that. You have to give him a bit of time to get ready for that shot there. Also, otherwise, it just won't be coming through, yeah? So it'll be too quick. Otherwise, keep right on it too, yeah? As soon as his hand comes in, he's straight in. Okay?